Good morning students, this is your first video of computer. Today we will learn chapter number 1, network and data communication. So students, firstly I want to tell you meaning of network. Two or more computers are interconnected to share information, data, files, etc. form a network. A network is a group of devices connected with each other. Network is a group of devices connected with each other. Computer network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. Okay, these computers are connected through cables, satellite, telephone lines, infrared light beams, etc. It depends on our requirement. Okay, now we will be learn advantage of computer network. The major advantage of computer network is that it allows file sharing and remote file access. A person sitting at one workstation, what do you understand by workstation? It is a special computer designed for specific work. And for network can easily see the files present on the other workstation. Okay, resources sharing is also an important benefit. We can also share our resources. What is the meaning of resources? Resources means your printer, fax machine, scanner, modem. These are resources. The software can be loaded on main computer that can be shared by connected computer. It can be managed only through main computer. So, see one example I am giving you. This is your main computer. Okay, for example, this is your main computer and we have connected another computer with it main computer 1, 2, 3, 4. All computer we have connected by the main computer. So these all computers will be share information by main computer. Okay, so it is your network. Because why of main computer we have loaded all the main software in main computer and they can be take information, they can be take files and send files and receive files by the main computer. Okay, so it is your network and they also connected by with each other, so they can share their information, files, data, any electronic message and electronic communication they can maintain. Okay, if resources, in second point I have explained you resources sharing is also an important benefit of computer network. So if we have only one printer, okay, and only one scanner, okay, so if we have connected both printer and scanner with main computer and also with other computer, we have connected all this with printer, this is your printer, this is your scanner. Okay, so if we have connected these computer with printer and scanner, so we can also share, we can also link the computer, also use this resource. Okay, got it? Now it is printer, fax machine, scanner or modem can be connected to main computer. I have explained you, and shared by connected or linked computer via network and shared by linked computer via link network. Okay, it is cost effective due to sharing of expensive natural software on many computers. It will be cost effective because we are sharing, so it will be not so expensive. Increases the speed of sending or receiving files or save the time. It will be increase speed of sending or receiving files. It also save our time. Important data or file can be secured by using password. If we want to secure our data and important file we want to secure, so we can use password. Now disadvantages of computer network. There are the following disadvantages of computer network. First, the main computer or server has fault. If main computer, this was your main computer, if it is failed or if it has any fault, so all the other all the other connected or linked computer will not work. They can't share information or any type of data or any type of file. Got it? Difficult to manage if the number of connected computer, in case if we connected number of computer, lakh of computer, thousand of computer, millions of computers, it will be difficult to manage for us. Okay, if the network does not work properly, then link computer cannot share information. If network is not working properly, beta, so link computer also will not work proper and they cannot share information. Proper maintenance of a network require considerable time and expertise. Time to time, we have to also maintain our network. We have to also check out our cables. That is, any connection problem, if available, so we have to maintain this. We have to expertise this. Okay. Traffic on network increase, then its performance will. If traffic increase in our networks, its performance also will decrease. It will also work very slowly. Okay, now everyone, you can see this picture. No user can work without server in network. Okay, there are so many computers and they all will be connected with one main computer. Okay, thank you friends. Next topic we will discuss in next computer and next video. Okay, stay home, stay safe.